Hi everyone, welcome to the new episode of Peter's English podcast. We can see each other after the week because I couldn't do anything. I'm not telling you why, but I couldn't. Welcome in my new episode of my podcast. In this episode, I want to read you my new last fairy tale about Vierka the vampire girl. It will be very funny and educational fairy tale about her relationship with her boyfriend Peter because she is too dominant. Peter likes it, her boyfriend, but when she is too dominant, it will be a big problems and fun. You will see. I'm going to read you right now. Welcome. We can start. Blood, power, and betrayal. Betrayal. I don't know. Vierka's dominance versus Peter's survival. Viera or Sax diary. Lau, did you clean our room? No, you did not. Any help, love, darling, shouted Viera at her boyfriend Peter. I'm washing the dishes as you ordered me to do, and then I want to clean our room, darling, answered Peter while he was whistling his favorite folklore song. You're using too much water. Don't put so much detergent on the dishes. You'll cry bitterly. You'll see. Clearly, your mother didn't teach you anything. This is how it's done. Watch and learn, shouted Viera at her boyfriend while showing him how to wash the dishes. Darling, don't yell at me. I can't wash the dishes my way, shouted Peter at Vierka. No, you can't. You're using too much detergent, wasting too much water. Everything is wrong, shouted Vierka at her boyfriend. Peter started washing his hands when suddenly Viera yelled at him again. Put your hands down. Use less water. When Peter wiped his hands with the towel, Viera exploded and started ranting. You didn't shake off the water after rinsing. Look at that wet towel. Look, a huge mark from your hands. Why are we even together? She scolded him furiously. Do I have to follow all your orders exactly? Is the towel just for decoration? I wonder about that too. Peter snapped, then stormed off to clean their room. After a while, Vierka came to check Peter's work. Your cleaning is useless. There's dust in the corners. The windows are dirty. You're afraid of heights. So, no one washes the curtains. Why did I choose you as my boyfriend? My whole family laughs at me because of you, she yelled at him. Peter blushed, then exploded like a volcano and shouted back at Vierka, I'm done with you. Find yourself a better and more obedient pet than me. Peter packed his things and immediately left for home. Vierka burst into tears and shouted at her boyfriend, Thank you for ruining my day. It's all your fault. Her parents and sister Lucia quickly came to see what was happening. You really gave it to him, sis. Men should obey like a prayer. Lucia laughed. But Vierka didn't feel victorious. You're too strict with your boyfriend, her mother tried to advise her. The shouting in the kitchen even brought her grandmother Zofia. You seriously went too far, Viera. The boy was clearly trying and you overdid it. Can he do his things his own way? I yell at mine too, but everything in moderation. Go apologize to him, Zofia said. My love enjoys when I'm strict and dominant in our relationship. He doesn't appreciate what he has in me. Leave me alone and stop interfering. Vierka cried in her mother's arms before running off to her room in tears. Vierka's family tried to help her and Peter saved the relationship, but nothing worked. Peter walked home alone, feeling sad, when suddenly he noticed someone watching him closely. A large group of wild female succubus vampires surrounded Peter and started mocking him. Where are you going, little Peter? We know everything. Vierka dumped you. Didn't she? She didn't realize what a treasure she had. Too late. You're ours now. Pick the most beautiful one of us. The dangerous female succubus vampire laughed, knowing all about his relationship and waiting for the perfect chance to hurt Vierka, jealous of her boyfriend. Peter, visibly red and shy, couldn't even utter a word. Thanks to her abilities, Vierka quickly saw that her boyfriend was in serious trouble and rushed to save him. She arrived just in time as the dangerous succubus vampire were preparing to make Peter their delicious dinner. Hands off my boyfriend. He's mine. I will defend him until the end. Vierka shouted at the group of dangerous vampires. Ah, Lau. The vampires laughed. Vierka is head over heels. She wants him to all to herself. Then they attacked her. Vierka, the highest and strongest vampire, fought bravely. She gave to two wild vampires a serious beating when suddenly her family joined the fight, teaching the succubi a harsh lesson. Vierka ran to Peter and burst into tears. My dear Peter, forgive me. I love you madly and I want you. Forgive me. It's all my fault. I love you madly too. I want you too. Peter replied and passionately kissed Vierka. Vierka realized how she had treated Peter and learned to be a good girlfriend. Peter tried to be a good boyfriend. Everything ended well. Vierka and Peter stayed together, loved each other passionately, and learned to live in harmony. The end. What do you think, people? I think it's very real. It's very funny and it's very educational. The story is inspired by myself, and every girl learned. You have to learn about this because this is very educational for you. Yes, of course, this is educational situation for everyone. I hope you enjoy it because it was very funny, and I have to practice more. but who cares? My podcast, my rules. The complete Peter's word has its own rules, and in the end of this episode, I want to tell you that it doesn't matter how many mistakes you will do, because it's not about your mistakes. It's about that you practice, because you have to practice and practice. When you want to speak English, when you want to speak English fluently. Thanks you for your watching. Thanks you for your listening. Learn English. Keep doing it, and you will be successful in your life. And in the end of this episode, I want to tell you about my dream. That is, I want to create my own Peter's English podcast community where I want to practice with my friends. I want to practice our speaking skills together in fun way and have fun, and I want to record it online. I want to do live episodes about it because I want to share with you how to learn English in a fun way. And what else? Please follow me, write me, but of course be polite. And I want to tell you bye bye.